Discuss the word problems of quadratic equation. Here I am taking the questions which are related to the speed of pipe, the larger diameter and the smaller diameter. This is question number 9 of your NCERT exercise 4.3. There are two taps, one with the larger diameter and the other with the smaller diameter. If we open the two taps together, they can fill the complete tank in 9/3/8 hours. So we can just convert it into this mixed fraction into a normal fraction. So it will be 75/8 hours, right? The larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller diameter. You have to find the time taken by each tap. Now this is a very different question, one which is similar to men-women question in linear equations. Now here how do you understand the concepts? It's not that time taken by first tap plus time taken by second tap is equal to the time taken by both, because the speed of this tap and speed of this tap is different. So we have to take into account the speed also, and nothing is given as such. So how do you do such questions? To begin with such questions, we have to understand a new thing, or we have to start with something new. And what is it? If I consider the larger diameter tap, now suppose this one, I just wish to find out how much time will it take alone, because they are asking you time taken by each tap. That means there are two variables, one with the larger diameter. So time taken by larger diameter tap. ठीक है. So let us consider this to be x, because they are taking larger takes 10 hours less. अगर 10 hours less ले रहा है तो इसका मतलब लार्जर को अगर x लग रहा है तो स्मॉलर को कितना लगेगा, x माइनस 10. तो अगर मैं इसको लिख लेती हूँ टाइम टेकन बाय स्मॉलर, अगर मुझे अवॉइड करना है माइनस को, तो स्मॉलर डायमीटर टैप को टाइम टेकन लगता है सपोज x, तो लार्जर को कितना लगेगा, x माइनस 10 लगेगा, राइट. सो टाइम टेकन बाय लार्जर, आई एम टेकिंग लार्जर नाउ. सो लार्जर का कितना हो जाएगा, x माइनस 10. ये आवर्स में है, मुझे नहीं पता कितने आवर्स, 9 आवर्स, 10 आवर्स, 20 आवर्स, 30 आवर्स, वॉट एवर इट इज़. सो टाइम टेकन बाय लार्जर डायमीटर टैप. अब x आवर्स में वो पूरा टैंक फिल कर देता है, तो 1 आवर में वो कितना काम करता है. टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, लेट अस टेक वन एग्जाम्पल. I give you one work and you complete that work in 4 hours. Then how much work is completed in 1 hour? 1/4. If I give you one work and you are able to complete that work in 2 hours, how much work is done in 1 hour? It is half. So I have given this tap one work and that work is completed in x hours. तो 1 hour में कितना work complete होगा, 1/x. So 1 hour tank filled in 1 hour. Tank filled in 1 hour. Smaller वाले से, smaller diameter वाले से, it will be 1/x. Again you have to understand, if I am giving you one work and you are able to finish that work in 4 hours, तो 1 घंटे का कितना काम होगा, 1 घंटे का काम will be 1/4, right. If I am giving you some work, you are able to finish it in 4 days, तो 1 डेज़ वर्क कितना होगा, 1/4 फिनिश कर दोगे. ऐसे ही यहाँ पर 1/x. नाउ टैंक फिल्ड इन 1 आवर बाय लार्जर डायमीटर. लार्जर से कितना होगा, 1/x माइनस 10. अब दोनों मिल के अगर लार्जर डायमीटर स्मॉलर डायमीटर दोनों को चला दें, यानी दोनों के दोनों टैप्स अब हमारे टैंक को फिल कर रहे हैं, तो कितना टैंक फिल हो जाएगा. पूरा टैंक फिल होने के लिए 75/8 आवर्स लगते हैं, ठीक है. तो इसका 1 आवर में कितना फिल हो जाएगा, दैट विल बी 1/75/8, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे किया. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट. इफ़ यू आर एबल टू फिनिश अ वर्क इन 4 hours, योर 1 hour's वर्क विल बी 1/4. If you are able to finish a work in 75/8 hours, your 1 hour's work will be 1/75/8. So now you have to solve this. You have to reduce it to standard form of quadratic equation. So I am just simply solving it for you so that you can just begin with your procedure and then you may later do it on your own. So this is 2x minus 10 upon x square minus 10x is equal to 8 upon 75. Now you need to solve this further and get the answer. I am doing it for you. So when you further solve this equation, you have to cross multiply this. So 75 into 2x minus 10. So I have kept the 75 here. So 2 taken common. So 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 8 by 75 into x square minus 10x. Now 75 is taken here. So 75x minus 375 is equal to 4x square minus 40x. Now I am simplifying this and factorizing it. So 4 is taken common. So x square minus 25 minus 15 is common. This will be 4x. So x minus 25 is equal to 0. So x minus 25 into 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now when you further solve it, it is x is equal to 25 or x is equal to 15 by 4. Now we have to check which is the answer. What was x? X was the time taken by the smaller tap. So time taken by the smaller tap और larger tap को उससे 10 hours कम लगता है. So इससे 10 hours कम. ये तो 15/4 है. 15/4 का मतलब 4 घंटे भी नहीं है, तो 10 hours कम ये नहीं हो सकता. दैट मीन्स स्मॉलर टैप को 25 hours लगते हैं और लार्जर टैप को कितना लगता है? लार्जर टैप को लगता है 15 hours. So time taken by larger tap is 15 hours and time taken by smaller tap is 25 hours separately, and together if they fill the tank then it is 75/8 hours, right? I am taking up one more question. To fill a swimming pool, 2 pipes are to be used. If pipe of larger diameter is used for 4 hours and the pipe of smaller diameters for 9 hours, only half the pool can be filled. Find how long would it take to each pipe to fill the pool separately. If the pipe of smaller diameter takes 10 hours more than the pipe of larger diameter to fill. So the time taken by smaller diameter tap is 10 hours more. So अगर हम larger diameter tap, ठीक है, लार्जर डायामीटर टैप का टाइमिंग हम x मान लेते हैं, x आवर्स, एंड स्मॉलर का 10 आवर्स ज़्यादा लगते हैं. सो स्मॉलर डायामीटर टैप टेक्स 10 आवर्स ज़्यादा. दैट मीन्स x plus 10 hours. नाउ सी द इक्वेशन. The equation they are saying, if the pipe of larger diameter is used for 4 hours. So first 1 hour work for larger diameter. How much it will be? Larger diameter tap. The total time taken by larger diameter tap is x hours. So 1 hour work will be 1/x. ऐसे ही smaller का 1 hour work will be 1/x plus 10. Now they are saying that a tank is filled. Look at this. The larger diameter is used for 4 hours and smaller for 9 hours, and only half of the pool is filled. ठीक है. So I am writing larger diameter is used for 4 hours. So 4 into 1/x plus smaller diameter is used for 9 hours. So now half the tank is filled. Half the tank is filled means जो टैंक पूरा फिल हो जाना चाहिए था, पूरा मीन्स द वॉल्यूम वुड हैव बीन 1. सो नाउ इट इज़ इक्वल टू हाफ. वाई हैव वी रिटन इक्वल टू हाफ? बिकॉज 4 आवर्स तक बड़े डायमीटर ने काम किया, 9 आवर्स तक छोटे डायमीटर टैप ने काम किया, और दोनों मिला के केवल हाफ ऑफ द टैंक को फिल कर पाए हैं, मतलब आधा ही काम कर पाए हैं, पूरा नहीं कर पाए हैं. सो नाउ यू हैव टू रिड्यूस. The equation will come x square minus 16x minus 80. I am just writing in short and you can get the answers. There are two answers, 20 and minus 4. This will be rejected. You can try solving it on your own and check whether this answer is coming or not. So the time taken by the larger diameter is 20 hours and smaller diameter will be 20 plus 10, 30 hours. Time taken by smaller diameter tap will be 30 hours.